Today I'll be showing you how to integrate Bible Song Pro. You know, when you want to display Bible or not project Bible, you can either use Bible Show or Easy Worship or any other presenting application like Pro Presenter. So instead of using those ones, you can integrate Bible and songs into OBS Studio. So how do you do that? First of all, you go to your browser. Go to your browser and download Bible Song Pro. Bible Song Pro is an OBS plugin. Once you open it, you go down, you see it will direct you to GitHub. You open it, it will direct you to this is where you download the Bible Song presenter from OBS direct instead of going to Easy Worship Bible Show. So now this is how you download. Go down, you go down, you see this example of this is how they listen. So look for your system version. Are you using Mac? Are you using Linux? Or you are using Windows? Look for the one that suits your system architecture and download from it. So this is Bible Song Pro. You see it, Bible Song. You download it. This is the plugin. So once you download, you open it, you see something like this. You see something like this. So so where you expect this is what you get. This is what you get. Bible Song Pro. You see it. So you open it, you see something like this. Now you see the panel and the display. Just like I told you in the previous video, how you can put in your lower or animated lower. So this is how you also open this. But first of all, before you open this, you can copy this profile in this folder and head to your local disk. Open your profile, program file, go to OBS Studio, then you can paste that expected folder. Just follow the steps. This expected folder, you copy it and paste inside OBS Studio folder in your C drive. So when you open it, you see something like this. So this one is Bible Song Pro panel. This one is the display. Now you also right click, just like you did in the previous video. You can click and click on Open with. You select any browser of your choice. Any browser you want to use to open this. You click on any browser of your choice. To open like this. This is the interface. Bible Song Pro. This is the interface. Then you still go back to that phone and open the display. You may not see anything in this. You open it. You may not see anything. Just understand the steps. So this is the panel. You come here, select this URL, copy it, head down to your OBS Studio. So under the OBS Studio, you go to Docs. Remember the steps we took. You go to Docs. You click on Custom Browser Docs. Custom Browser Docs. Already have it. I want to show you how you can do it. You can see I have it here. I have it here. So I want to show you how you can close it. Now head to Custom Browser Docs. Click on it. You can see all the plugins I've put in the system. So you can see something. I want to show you how you do it. When you come here, click something. That was something. Then go to where they wrote you here. Press that thing you copied. Remember what you copied. Now that thing you copied. Right down to the previous and paste. Paste it. Then click. Once you click apply, to bring out the panel. So let's give it a name. Name. Bible Song Pro name. So once I hit apply, it will bring out the control panel, which already. So I don't need to put it again. Close it, and then look at the panel. I already have the panel in my OBS Studio. So this is type. This is that, and then this is songs. So these are songs I've put already. So I can put as many lyrics of songs that I want. So now this Bible, you have to activate this Bible. How do you activate this Bible? You walk through the, you go through your browser, head down to display, copy the URL on the display, copy the URL as well, go to OBS, and then under the sources, you click browser, select browser, give it a name, Bible Sound Pro, something like that. Okay, now you you can put it this way, 1920, depending on your screen resolution, system resolution, depending on your resolution. So if your resolution is small, you can leave it default, later you resize. 800, you can leave it default, later you can resize. Then that URL, you copy it, paste it here, and click OK. Once you click OK, it will bring out something like this. It's already have it. You don't need it. So I have to remove this because I have this already. Now the people something I put, look at it here. So now let me still show you my camera and show you how the thing looks like. Maybe when you are projecting, you can project as lower third or full screen. Let me show you the camera so you see the experience. If you want to put it as full screen, you can go here under the control panel. So I believe by now you know how to display and then the control panel. So I have my control panel here. I have my display, which is the one I have here already. Bible Song Pro. That is the name I have. So now I already put shortcuts. If I press my shortcut, it will bring it. I also press my shortcut to bring it in. So now don't to put it full screen. You can put it full screen. So when you install the control panel, you have to do some settings so that it will look like this. You need to do some settings. But before you do any setting, this Bible version, you need to put it. So you have to go to that browser where you downloaded that Bible. So let me show you those Bible. It's not all the versions you see. So any version you do not see there, you can as well download it. So it's HTML document file. So you download it and put it under here. So how do you put this one? You come here, you come to OBS Studio. Under Bible, into this place, click Bible. So under Bible, you are under Bible. You see this particular import button. You click on this import button. Head down to where you have your Bible. That particular logins. You go to C drive. Remember where you have the OBS Studio. Program file. Open it. Head to OBS Studio. OBS Studio. Bible Song. Bibles. You highlight all. Once you highlight all the versions, you click on open. Once you click on open, all these Bible versions will show. You will see all these versions. So anyone you want to click, you just come here and type the Bible. Let's say First Thessalonians. Just test. To be easier for you, you have to learn the Bible books from Genesis to Revelation. So when you know their names, then you come and shorten them from Genesis to Revelation. If you want to write Genesis, you write change and move on to the chapter 2 verse, put column 4, hit enter. So once this thing is closed, you will not project the Bible facing it. So you have to open this, or you put the shortcut, the key that you use and display it. Then you want to go for next verse. Your own may not show like this. So if you want to go for next verse, let me open this one next verse. So if you want to go for next verse, there's something here. So I just want to show you how next verse. You see it. So you'll be clicking next verse. First Peter, something like First Peter chapter 3 verse 8. You see it. Finally, yeah, so you can change a particular version. So if you want to change the version, you can go here and select any version of your choice. If the version you need is not, you can as well unlock it. You can put it as lower full screen. You can put it as picture. Indian or normal, or you can put it as no background. Are you seeing it? No background. So it depends on how you want it. Now, after putting all these things, you will hit to settings, and then move all the necessary settings you need. The font size, you increase or reduce. And see what I did in full page. In full page, put this in full page. What is the font size you need? On the full code, you select these are the reference number I used. I also use this in the phone. Then on the lower third, you use this. Then under typography and color. So what's the font? What's the font color? And what other things? Background color. And then under songs. So do you want to show the song application? Or not? Show category name, display song by section. So it depends on how you want it. You do your settings and then close. Then under songs, you head to songs. Under songs, I've added some songs here. What I need to do is to click on add button. These are the lyrics. If I click on any one, this one is SS low to come up. Amazing. So SS low. You want to show it as lower third, the display like this. So you can add low or color, something like this. I'm showing it. Then if you want to add new songs, you come here and click on then type the title of the song and then the artist, the person that sang the song. If you know the name of the artist, put it here and then click on search. When you click on search, to bring out the name and the lyrics, the name of the song and the lyrics. Then from there you can click on anyone you wish to. But in a situation whereby it didn't bring out the lyrics of the song or the artist name, you can go online, search for the lyrics. Let's open your browser, search for the lyrics of the song, and then come here and put the name of the song. For example, I need to create a song named Summer. You understand? There's no lyrics. I just click on create. It creates this name for me. Then that lyrics that you got from your web browser, you copy it, come here and paste the lyrics. For instance, if this is the lyrics, come here and paste the lyrics. So this is not a song. I have to remove it, showing you how you add song. So after creating it, now if this is the song, after creating it, you turn it to button. But when you click, anyone you click, it will just show on the button. But it is context. When you click it, it means you want to take it something. So this is how you can click something to your OBS. So after, when you are done with your settings, you can take it and put it in one of your apps. Set it to anywhere you want, and then lock. Do not remove it. So if you want to clear the screen, click here to clear. So I believe you learned something in this video. Please, you learned something in this video. Do it. Like, share, and comment if you have any questions. Thanks. You are free to ask any question. So I believe I've been able to get into you. Please do it. Share this video to your friends. So maybe my own studio is congested, but it depends on how you want it. How you want to set you can set your own to be, to be showcasing camera around this area. But this is not how I want it. You can have as many scenes as you wish. So this is how you add some instead of projecting that from easy watching. You can as well project that. You need to type go here and type first Sam, just like I told you. You memorize the books of the Bible and then put in the short names that you need to type when you are typing so that you'll be very fast. Now, First Samuel chapter 2 verse 9. I'm using color, so it displays like this. So as you can see, if you want to change this color, you can put it gradient or something else. Any color of your choice. So now, Sam is PS 103 verse 9. So you can see it's on King James version. You can change it to any version through the control panel. You can see I have This one is another version. That that King James NIV, New King James NLT, English Passion Translation. There's an EPT. So any version which can download it. So if you want to display 3 verses at the same time, these are the lines. You can come here and select the lines you want to display. And of course, you know that it will not contain. So these are the things you need to consider. So you put it one after the other. These are 2 verses. 2 verses. Please. 9, 10. You want to display 9, 10, 11. So 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's advisable for you to put it in what? In one line. It will be displaying one after the other. So even if you put it in lower third, it will still contain everything. Thank you very much. Please know where to share, comment, and like this. Thank you.